Yeah, guys, let's continue our discussion about building and maintaining connectivity of our small topology here. And we're done. Task 3 is done, right? So, 4. 4 is maintaining internet VLAN reachability. Look at me, guys. Now it's time to check our configuration. Right now, we configured the trunk ports between all the switches. We assigned the port to the specific VLAN, which is the VLAN 11, the Ethernet VLAN. Right now, there is a DHCP residing on this port. You know what the DHCP, right?
Yes.
You know what the DHCP does for our network. So there is a DHCP on this link, should give an IP address to this machine and this machine, okay? And the ISE and the FMC, okay? We're going to configure it manually, okay? So first, let's open the Windows 24 here. You do it, Ibrahim.
Okay.
And there is a Firefox icon, Kikar. Can you do it? Can you open it? Connect. Hit connect. User 1. User 1 and enter. No password. Right now, Ibrahim trying to configure the ISE IP addresses to maintain the reachability to the internet VLAN, which is the VLAN 11. Right now, Ibrahim opened the console of the ISE and he got the username and password now in the main console. Right now, check the interface of the device, the ISE interfaces, by using the command show IP interface. Show IP interface. You can hit a question mark to see, to have some help there. No, space. Okay, try show interface without IP. Show interface, question mark, gig, 0, enter. This is the main interface. The gig 0 is the interface that's facing the internet.
That faces internet.
Faces internet. Okay? But it has an old IP address. We're going to change it. How are we going to change the interface in the ISE box? It's like the switch and the router. From the privilege, you're going to go to the conft, global configuration mode. So conft and interface gig 0, enter, IP address, let's say 192, let's get back to the Excel sheet here. The ISE will take 192.168.11.75.
Seventy-five.
75. Space, what the subnet mask, the 0, enter. Here what's going on. You are trying to change the IP address of the main interface of the ISE. The ISE will restart all the process. This is normal. So you say yes. Continue with IP address change. This is going to take some time to get back to us, restarting all the process. While the ISE is restarting itself, we going to go to the other device here, which is the FTD, the sensor, the firewall sensor. So this one, Kakar, let's hit this one. Okay. Now the username is admin, and the password is admin123, but the A is capital. Okay. There is a EULA. You need to agree. You need to accept. So press enter. Space, 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 space. Come on, one more time. Come on, come on. Okay, enter. We agree. Now we need to change the password. Let's say the password is what? You choose one.
Admin. Let's use admin.
You choose one.
Admin.
What's the most
Capital.
I would have choose Cairo.
Cairo? Okay, say it Cairo 1, 2, 3, C
Okay.
capital.
Capital C.
Oh,
Capital C.
okay.
No other. Okay, you press Y. No, we don't need IPv6. And so we need IP address via DHCP. No, we need it manual. Hit enter. Enter. Okay. Now this is the default IP address. We're not going to use this. It's back to the sheet and see what's the FTD going to have. Actually, we are forgetting this. Well, let's give him the IP address 192.168.11.70. 11.70. No, wait. 192.168. Dot 70. 70. 70. Enter. Enter. Wait. The default gateway, it will be what? It will be the ADS 192.168.11.1. Yes. You need to name the device. You need to name the box. Well, name it. Choose.
FW.
FW.
Firewall. Or
Okay. No, I don't use this one. This is FTD. Let's say okay. Say it's FTD 70. FTD.
okay, FTD.
Dash 70. Dash 70. Good. Enter. Okay, say DNS server or done. Say google.com or 8.8.8.8. Enter. Enter. Okay. Now we wait. Let's get back to the ISE if it's already restarted itself. No, it is still restarting. Yeah, and the FTD is asking you, there is two modes for the firewall implementation, the routed mode and transparent mode. The routed mode, if the firewall or the sensor in between, in the path, this is routed mode. While the transparent is just being somewhere linked to the switch and it's being, the device is captured and sent to it. Or something else. Or maybe it is in the line, but it's not in the routed mode. Maybe it is just filtering and inspecting the traffic silently, not participating in any routing decision. So I'm using the normal, which is routed. I'm hitting enter now. Hit enter. And we wait. While we're waiting, Ibrahim tried to configure the FMC. Well, the FMC, it's configurable. Let's configure it via the machine Windows 24. I need you to go there and add an extra IP address, because the FMC has the IP address of 192.168.45.45. There is a reachability between this one. There is a reachability between this one and this one. The VLAN, it's the same VLAN, but different IP address. So I need to add extra IP address in here to make this able to reach this one and change the IP address to what we need.
Okay.
So how are we going to do this? I'm going to use the Windows 24 as you already open it, and you go to the network interface card, and change adapter settings. And this is the port, I think, that you need to configure. Okay, right click. Properties. First, check what is the actual IP address. Okay, no, it doesn't matter.
Let's check.
It's 59, right?
Yeah, 1159.
Okay. Now, you going to configure this manual. Properties, IPv4. Now, you bought this manual. 192.168.11.
Dot.
11.59. The gateway is 11.1. And wait, don't forget DNS. 8.8. And we don't okay, say advanced. Advanced. And add 192. No. It's 45. I need to put this machine also in the firewall IP network. No. 11, change the 11 to 45.
Okay.
45.100. Okay.
Add.
Okay. Add.
Should I click add again?
Okay.
No, it's okay. Okay, close. Now, open your browser. I need to see if I can open this.
Or Firefox. Doesn't matter, right?
Uh,
Chrome, Firefox.
Anything.
What is that IP?
45.45. I should see now on the screen what you're doing. Did I log you out?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, you can complete your work here to just be in the record. Come to it.
Okay.
Yeah, complete from my computer. Yeah. The firewall should redirect you to use the HTTPS if you are accessing.
Or do I add the HTTP?
Okay, try to check the connectivity first. Bing this IP address. Bing it. Okay.
192.168.45.45.
Okay. Oh, great. You have a connectivity. Okay, now get back to the browser. Yeah, use HTTPS. No, wait. Before this.
Yeah.
Right? Proceed. All right. Nice work. Username is admin.
Cisco with a capital C.
It's, no, wait, it's not
This
Cisco.
MMC.
It's admin 123 the A capital.
Admin 123.
Yeah.
A capital.
Okay, so now you can put a new password.
Hmm?
Yeah, you can put a new password over there. Say whatever you want.
Okay. Kika, you help us be saving this password.
Yeah,
So
it
what
will
do-
be, yeah, that's why I asked you to keep it in the page,
Yes.
because we're going to have a lot of
Yes,
passwords
yes,
and
yes,
usernames.
yes.
So, choose one.
Which password do we use? Cisco 123.
Okay.
Capital C.
Capital
Cisco
C.
123.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. What else? What's next? He's asking you to change if you want to change the IP address.
The management
Yes,
IP
we
address.
need to change the management. It's from we need to
45 to want to use 11.
Bravo. Yes. 11.69.
11.69. Is it 59 or 69? 69?
69.
69.
And configure the gateway to be 11.1.
Default gateway 192.168.11.1.
Okay, you can name the machine, the device, the
Host
box.
name.
Yeah, say it FMC 69.
FMC 69. Is that okay?
Yeah. Domain, you can say whatever you want. Google.com. Okay, ccie.com.
Okay.
ccie.com. Capital, ccie.com.
Okay.
Because we're going to use this in the future.
.com.
Yes. Cool. And the DNS server at 8.8.8.8. It's done. Okay. Get down to the bench. Okay.
Set my clock, current
Keep
time,
going. Keep going.
recurring globalized updates,
Okay. Keep
backup
going.
license setting,
Okay.
end user agreement.
Okay. Agree and hit apply.
So, you didn't explain what the FMC is for again.
Firepower Management Center.
So,
Firepower Management System is the box that by using it, you controlling the sensor, the firewall sensor in the network. It's just controlling. Please, could you just show me the topology? You see this one? This is the actual sensor. The FTD is the actual sensor. The one who's inspecting and filtering.
But this also a physical box. It's a physical box.
Yes, this
Or
is.
it can be a server.
Bravo. This is, it could be a physical box or a virtual machine.
Okay.
OVF.
So it's like a controller.
Yes, it's a controller.
Okay.
It's like the brain
Mm-hmm.
pushes the policy to the FTD. Okay. Okay. Get back to the ISE. See if it's working now. Hit apply.
I thought I did.
Okay.
Okay.
Because you changed the IP address, you won't see any response.
Yeah.
This is the old one.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You need
yes.
to relog and use this, the next one, the new IP address, which is 11.60. 69.
192.168.
Yes.
Huh?
Just yes. That's
11.
11, 69.
69.
Yes.
HTTPS. So what he's saying over there, I can see the system
Process.
Process that started.
Wait, we need
Touch.
to
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need to wait.
So we go back to ICE.
Yeah, get back to ICE.
And okay.
I think I have ICE here.
Yes, you can move it there. Okay, now I think you changed the IP address, but we need to tell the ICE box to use the default gateway to reach the outside network. How we configure the default gateway for the ICE box? Basically, you exit this mode, this interface level mode, and you say IP default gateway, and you say 192.168.11.1, and then you ping the internet. It's a virtual environment.
Yeah.
It needs time. Okay, now you can try. Do Bing.
Oh,
Do Bing. Great job. You have a reachability. Now save your work. Do WR.
Save. Okay, right.
No,
So-
do write memory. Do WR won't work here. It's not just the router. You have to say do write memory.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Okay, now the ICE is okay, the FMC is okay. Let's get back to the FTD. What about the FTD? Where is the FTD? Okay, try to ping from the FTD to the internet. But here we need to say ping system. Ping system 8.8.8.8. Enter. Problem. Control C. This means that you have a problem. Well, say show route. I'm going to use this. Okay, let me show route. You don't have any route. Show IB brief. Show interface. What's going on?
The place is getting too cold.
now. The money was fairer. Now it's like
We're working overtime.
Okay, this is frozen. Why? I don't know. Okay. Show interface. Management. I can't read the content here. I can't read the IP address. Okay, let's try to ping the FMC itself. Ping system 192.168.11. The FMC is 69, right? You have a problem with the switches because the FTD using the green port is not going anywhere. It's not accessing the internet or is not pinging the FMC. So what can you think about it? Maybe the switch has a problem?
We've not configured the connection between the FTD and the core switch.
Really?
no.
We've not done anything.
You did it.
FTD.
FTD is G.
Let's check.
Sorry.
Show VLAN brief. Should have VLAN 11. No, I remember. Oh, what is that? This
Only
is
interface.
why 00 is in interface VLAN 11. You missed this, guys. This 03 should be in VLAN 11, not 00.
0.
That's your problem. Now we troubleshooting. Huh? Okay, now we fix this. Config interface E03 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 11. And the interface E00 is a trunk port, switch port, trunk encapsulation. 20Q switch port mode trunk. And do WR and done. Let's check back Yeah, you see now, the ping is back. You can ping the internet to check. Cool. We have a connectivity. Great. Good job. Now we have the ISE working just fine, reaching the internet. We have the FTD reaching the internet, the FMC reaching the internet, also the Windows 24. So the this is long, by the way. The part 4 task force is nicely done. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
You step by step be with me?
Mm.
Okay.